Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a group in WhatsApp. So first of all, open up the app. So here I am in a group and let's say I want to delete this group. Now there isn't only an option for that, but you can do it indirectly as well. For that purpose, click on the group icon right here, and after that you would see all members right here. Now as admin you would have to remove all the members there are in the group. For example, I will just remove this person. Now after all the members have been removed by the admin, click on exit group. After that, click on exit again, and after that click on delete group right here. After that click on delete, and after that group would be deleted. So that is how you can delete a group on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete a group on WhatsApp. Well, there isn't really a direct way to delete it, but you can do it indirectly. For that purpose, click on the profile picture of the group. Now after that, go to members and remove all the members that there are in the group. For example, let's say I want to remove this only member right here, and after that click on remove from group. Click on yes. Now after remove all the members, go back to overview, and after that click on exit group right here. After that click on exit. Now after you exited the group, you would have the delete option right here. Now after you have removed everyone and exited the group as well, after that click on delete again, and that group would be deleted forever. So that is how you can delete a group on WhatsApp.